So second question is, as per the URDPFI guideline 2055, the suggested population served by a single unit of neighborhood park for a plain area. So जो आपको URDFI गाइडलाइन से हर बार एक से तीन क्वेश्चन के बीच में ईयरली दे हैव आस्क्ड अबाउट दिस. So what is first we have to know what is URDPFI stand. Basically URDPI is known as the Urban and Regional Development Plan Formulation and Implementation Guideline. So according to this guideline 2014 guideline, they have asked how many a single unit of neighborhood park will serve how much population. So according to table 8.4.51 that has mentioned on page number that has mentioned on page number 363, you will find it the guideline. You can download the guideline and you will find at page 363 कि हाउसिंग एरिया पार्क जो है पॉपुलेशन 5000 पॉपुलेशन को सर्व कर सकता है एंड द एरिया रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दैट इज 0.5 हेक्टेयर. फॉर ए नेबरहुड पार्क दे सर्व 15,000 population and the area required for build up is 1 hectare. For the community park they can serve 1 lakh population and the area required to build up that is 5 hectare. For district park that can serve up to 5 lakh population and the area required should be 25 hectare. And for sub city park they can serve the population up to 10 lakh and the area required should be 100 hectare. So on the basis of this given answers, our first answer is 5,000, second answer is 15,000, third answer is 35,000 and fourth answer is 50,000. So according to this the neighborhood park can serve the population up to the 15,000. So the 5,000 answer would be the wrong, 35,000 would also be the wrong and 50,000 would be also that. So the right answer would be 15,000. So a neighborhood park can serve area up to 15,000. So you have to remember all those 5 points on not only the population but you have also to remember the area, how many hectare area required for community park, district park, sub city park and housing area.